the chance to go to Cancun for 4 nights and 5 days. Hi everyone, this is Arshia. I want to let you know that this month drawing is Spitz Solo Pro, and you get a chance to win this by calling us or fill up the form. Use the link in our bio to basically give us somebody that you know, give us their name, somebody who is in real estate, want to buy, sell, or invest, and you get to win. On top of that, your name enters our seasonal drawing for much bigger prizes, and our annual drawing, which we'll do it in December, and you get a chance to go to Cancun for 4 nights and 5 days. 2 of you, ticket for 2, basically, airfare and a hotel, all you can eat resort, and by just giving us name of yourself or someone who is interested to buy or sell or invest in real estate. Check the link.